Hi there, it's Laura Wilson, owner and founder of iBrandBoost.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create or amend a new blog post. So the first thing you want to do is go to yourwebsite.com/wp-login. So I'm assuming that you've got WordPress installed on your site, and if you're one of my clients then we will have done this for you. So again, it's yoursite.com/wp-login, and that will bring you to this page. So you want to enter your username, which we will have set to admin, or whatever your username is, and then your password. Click remember me so that it's going to remember your details for next time around, and click the login button. This then takes you to your WordPress dashboard, and this is where you're able to manage everything about your WordPress site. And it's pretty easy. WordPress, for the most part, publishing a post or an article or a page on WordPress for the most part is as simple as using a Word document to create a document, a written document offline. So come over to the left hand side, and here we've got posts. Now you want to go to all posts because we're going to start off by amending a post. So click on all posts, and then you pick one of your posts here. So this is one of my clients, Jane Adsaid Grant, and this we're going to be looking at how to amend one of her posts. So let's go to this first one: 7 top tips for mastering your day. And if you choose the quick edit, this is where you can just edit things like the title, the URL. So at the moment it's herwebsite.com/this slug here. It's called a slug, the URL. If she wanted to amend that to just 7 top tips, then we could do that. And you can amend the date, but for the most part you won't need to. You can amend the categories, so you want to add more categories here and put this in the correct category. And you can change the status from published to draft to pending review. So this is just for, as it says, quick editing features. We want to do a full edit. So click on the edit button, and this will take you into the post itself. So here, this is where the title of your post appears. So if you wanted to change the title, you could change it there. We're going to leave the title, and then this is the main body. In this window here is where the text is. So you might want to change, you might want to move this image around, or you might want to add some text or make something bold. So for the most part, this is a WYSIWYG editor, which means what you see is what you get. So like Word, if we wanted to make this word here bold, you just click bold, italic, strike through, and then you can put things in quotes, you can add a list, you can align left, align center. So or you can add a hyperlink. So if we wanted this word to link to another page on her site or off-site, so let's have a look at this. So if we wanted to link it to existing content, so another page on her site or another post, we could link it to this post on self-motivation, for example. But we're going to cancel that because we don't want to link it at the moment. So I'm going to change this back. So we don't want it bold, don't want it italic, don't want it strike through. Where's the strike through? There we go. And then if you want to add, so you can do things like, if you want to toggle the, so yeah, I would click on this one here, toggle the toolbar, and this shows further settings. So headings, for example, down the bottom here, this is a heading 2. So if we wanted to make this a heading 1 and make it bigger, you could do that. So you can make different headings, different sizes, but we'll leave it as it is at a heading 2. And then you can change the text color as well, so we could change it to this color. And obviously you can add in more text. So adding in more text here. Okay, and then, but we're not going to do that, we're going to take it out. But so this is basically how you edit a post. If for some reason you wanted to add some HTML, some raw HTML, there's 2 tabs here. At the moment we're in the visual editor, you would simply click on text edit, and this brings up your whole post in HTML. So say you had, for example, like an Aweber form, an autoresponder form, you wanted to say, subscribe to my free newsletter for more information, then you could add in a full opt-in form by pasting in the code that your autoresponder company like Aweber, which I use and recommend that you use, you could add that in here. Okay, so once you're done, Then you simply go over here and click the update button. Okay, and then that will have updated your post. Now, you'll notice on the right hand side here that there's no categories at the moment. So if you create a post and it forms a new category, then add it in here. So what would this go under? This post, 7 top tips for mastering your day. So let's add this under personal leadership. For example, we're just going to add this as a category. And you add that new category. Oh, let's amend that. No, I think we'll have to amend that category because there's a spelling mistake. But for now, we'll add that to personal leadership and we'll untick uncategorized because it's no longer uncategorized. And then we'll add a tag. So mastering your day. So let's do time management. Add. And then you'll notice here under the SEO settings, this is where you add in your SEO metadata. Now, if you don't understand SEO, then please go and watch another video about how to do SEO, search engine optimization. But for now, you just want to keep it quite simple. So you can just add in your post title, maybe the first line or the first couple lines of your blog post. So this is what appears in the search engines, the title and then these few lines. So you might want to add a call to action here. You might want to say click here to read the whole post or for more information about time management. And then you'd add the keywords here. So I'm just going to add in my client's name as well, Jane Grant, as a keyword. So that if someone's looking her up on Google, then hopefully this post will appear. And then if you want to add in, if you're looking to share on Facebook and you want a different title and description to here, then you could add in there, and you could also add an image. But for the most part, that is it. So then we'll just update that. And then you can click across here to view posts. I'm going to open that in a new tab. And there it is. There's the post, 7 top tips for mastering your day. There you go. So that's how you edit a post. Very quickly, I'm going to show you how to add a new post. So you just go over to the left-hand side, all posts, add new. And then you would simply start from scratch. You add your title in here, your body text, body text here. And obviously you can do all the formatting things that we talked about. So you might want to change that to a heading 1 and then some body text. And then you add your SEO data, so the title, just a short title of what the page is called. Again, that's usually just the title of your whole post. Short description, keywords, add it under a category, add some tags if you want, and then click publish. If this title comes up here, if the URL is something too long-winded or is not right or it's a duplicate title to something else, then you simply change it, click OK, and then publish. So that is how to create and amend blog posts in WordPress. Very simple, very easy. And you can do this yourself, and my advice to you is to be creating new blog posts on a weekly basis. So thanks very much for listening. I'm Laura Wilson, owner of iBrandBoost.com. Please check out iBrand Boost for free video training on how to run an online business and how to create a simple, successful website that's going to bring you in money on autopilot. Okay, bye-bye for now.